Alright, welcome back to the channel. If this is the first time I've been here, in this channel we do AI tool reviews, and then we'll talk about data skills that can help you earn extra income online and your smartphone or with your PC, right? So basically earn money online. So that's what we'll do here. So today we're gonna be reviewing these two ManyChats. Now let me say something before introducing this ManyChat, right? I know you have seen some videos where celebrities will make a video probably on Instagram or Facebook or any social media platform, and they will say something like maybe they will say something like drop a comment and I'll DM you the link, and I'll DM you this, and I'll DM you that, I'll DM you a free guide. So now sometimes you wonder, how is it that someone that has over 100,000 followers, 200,000 followers is able to DM each and every person that drops a comment on that post? Now you'll be thinking how they're doing it, like, and they literally do it in all their posts, and some of them post 2 to 3 times every day, and you're wondering how do they do this? Now, this is the secret right here. All those responses are automated. They don't do anything. And you don't need to have 100,000 followers. You don't need to have 1,000 followers to use this particular tool. The name of this tool is ManyChat. ManyChat. Now, I'm going to leave a link in the description that you can get bonuses. All right. The link is an affiliate link. So when you use it, I'm going to get something that I'm just explaining so you know how plain I am. I'm telling you how it is, right? So let me just show you how it works. So unleash the power of chat marketing and drive more sales and conversion via inbox of your WhatsApp, Instagram, DMs, and all of them using Messenger automation, right? Now, this can help you make more sales, make more conversions, get more leads, right, in your business. And if you're a creator, it can help you get close to your audience. Start sending them your lead magnet via DMs to get them into your waitlist. Now, they have meta business partners, so it's not just any kind of platform. It's a recognized platform trusted by over 1 million plus businesses, and I currently use this, right? So we have the Mid Valleys, Sugar, Beer Hair, Hotmart, Nike, and many of them, right? So this is what you can do with ManyChat, right? You can do Instagram DMs, WhatsApp DMs, and Facebook DMs. And I'm going to show you how to use this too. I'm going to show you how to use this too. I use ManyChat to automate. You can go through the platform and read all this, right? Increase your conversion rate by 90%. And it's true. And it's very true, right? It's very true. Automate response. So this is about it. I have 1 million plus businesses that are using it currently. I have 4 billion conversion rate powered by ManyChat, which is absolutely correct. And I trust them with this, they said. I trust what they say with this. Used in over 170 countries. So it doesn't matter the country you are, whether in the US, in Nigeria, in Ghana, back in Somali, anywhere you are, you can use this particular tool, right? So number one platform in leading chatting tool, and they deserve it, right? Yeah. See, Nike was featured in Nike used them, and many more, and many more. So which solutions they have for creators, for e-commerce, if you have an e-commerce, for agencies, then you want to grow your audience, collect emails to your email list, request for a follow, respond to comments, send links via DMs, and other. Maybe you have a digital product you want to sell. Just talk about digital products and you say, I'll send you the link via your DM. So once somebody responds, the link to your digital product goes straight to their DM, and you don't need to lift a finger to do all that, right? So that is that. Now about the pricing, let me tell you how much the pricing is. It's very, very cool. It's very, very cool. Now you can start up with $0 a month. You can start with $0, no credit card needed, nothing. You can start with zero. You can just sign up and start using the platform. So if you sign up and start using the platform, you have access to 1,000 contacts for free of charge, right? But I would strongly suggest that you start up with at least $15 per month. Now, this is what you get in $15 per month. You have access to all this, as you can see. You got all the things you have access to. You have your Instagram direct messages, Facebook direct message, WhatsApp, SMS, TikTok. You can send to your TikTok, engage unlimited contact. Now, this is 1,000 contact. This is unlimited, no matter the number, right? Expand customer reach, unlimited growth to build your advanced campaigns, optimize performance, save time, make it yours, right? Like branding it and email and everything. So I would strongly recommend this or this. But if you don't have any money right now, you can always start with zero, right? Okay, so that is that. So let me show you exactly how to do this. Now you can come here and learn about it, but then you just show you a glimpse of how it is. Now you can. So first of all, you click on get started, and it will bring you up to a form. And to bring you up a form where you sign up with your email, right? You sign up with your email. So they first ask you where do you want to connect. So maybe you want to connect on Instagram. Let's say Instagram, for instance. But you can add other channels. You can always add other channels. But you just sign up. Let's say Instagram. Now you continue with either your Facebook account or with your Gmail. I would recommend you go with your Gmail account, because if you continue with your Facebook might have issues one day and the account will be locked, right? So if you continue with your Gmail, you are sure that, aha, this is gonna work, right? I already have an account with them, so I'm not going to open another account. But when you get to this place, always use your Gmail. If you don't know how to open a Gmail, I already made a video on how to open a Gmail. I'll also leave it in the comment section how to create a Gmail account, right? Now let me show you my account. I'm going to show you exactly how to use this tool. So after you must have signed up, this is the interface you will see, okay? And yeah, and look at how to, you know, automate the whole thing. Now look at how to use it. You have auto DM links to comment. You have generally the stories for your Instagram story, IG story. You have automate conversion. Now there are a lot of templates, right? All these are templates of automations that you can use. Grow your YouTube. As you can see, you can get your YouTube subscribers via IG DM, right? So there are a lot of things you can do. A lot of triggers, launch a new product, Q&A, right? So a lot of this is just your social media handles on autopilot. Grow your followers from your comments. There are a lot of things. So this is the most popular that people always use, auto DM. So let me use it as an example, right? So these are automations that I've used. So you just click here. But if you don't see anything you want, you can always create your own automation. You come to automation and create new automation, right? But let's just click auto DM links. So you click auto DM links and the template comes up, right? You select a video. Now before setting this up, make sure that you have uploaded the video you want to use on Instagram, right? You have uploaded the video on Instagram or any of the platform that you want to use, any of the platform you want to use. If you go to settings here, you can always add more channels. Look at them, add more channels here. You can add Instagram, TikTok. So I'm just using Instagram for instance, right? Now, before you do this, make sure you have already uploaded the video you want to use on Instagram. Now you select the video. I want to use this video of Sadhguru. Now I use specific word. Look at it here. I use specific word. So anyone that anyone that drops a comment, let's say I want to send them let's say I want to send them a free PDF and I want them to comment PDF. So when you're doing your video, you say comment the word PDF and I'll send the link. You understand what I'm saying, right? So you just use PDF. So whether they drop it in the capital letters or small letters, it will always work. As you can see, the preview here. So PDF, then next. So if you don't want to use any exact words, you can use any word. So any person, anything that the person drops in your comments, an automatic DM will be sent to the person. So you can use it to follow up leads. You can use it to follow up anything, but just get what I'm saying, right? So either use a PDF or ebook or anything. So this is just for the purpose of this video, right? So click on next. Now, an opening DM. An opening DM, you now write, hey, I'm so happy. Thanks so much for interest in what you posted, or you can always customize this. Or thank you for commenting on my video. This is exactly how it will drop, right? Comment on my video. Here is the link to the click on send link. Click below, and I will send you the link to the ebook or to the free whatever, right? So You can always change this thing if you don't want. You can put it get free ebook. Just always customize it the way you want. Then you put in your welcome message. Sorry, I said get, right? Put in your customized message, right? You can also add more messages here. You can say, all right, here you go. Click the link below. Enjoy. You know, just make the response feel like you're the one messaging them immediately, right? Just make them feel relaxed when you're responding to them. So you now add a link of what you want to send them here, whether it's an ebook or anything, right? So just add the link. Let me see what link to add. Okay, let me look for a link. So I just added the link here. I just added a random link here. I just want to show you, right? You just write the heading of the link, and I just used anything so that you will understand what's this. Yeah. So next, you already added link. So next, reply under the post so people will feel and seen special. Like you can also add other things here. You can also add the reply. You can also add replies here. Please, thanks, please see DMs, right? You can also add replies here. You can change the one you want. Send you a message, check it out. Or nice, check your DM. This is just the response that will drop on the comment section before the person goes to their DM, right? And all these things are automated. So after here, you now click on go live. Click on go live. I don't want to click go live because if I click on go live and someone comments right now, it's gonna bring the person up to this link I sent, and I don't want that to do. So you click on go live here. Once you click on go live, it goes live. So once the person comments PDF or any word that you have chosen, it goes straight to there. It drops a response. It drops a response like thanks, please check your DM. Then the next message the person gets will be in their DM. Once they click it, it leads the person straight to your PDF or any course you're selling or any product you're selling. If it's a free lead magnet, anything to your email list. So that's exactly how it works, right? And you can start with $0. You don't need to subscribe to it. But if you have money, I will suggest you subscribe to it, right? So that is exactly how ManyChat works. And I have a few live chats, as you can see. I have a few live chats here on. So you can always add other channels. I only added one channel here, Instagram. You can always add other channels. And also check out the other templates of other things you want to do with um ManyChat. So ManyChat is so good. Because here you can grow your email list. So it's so good that everyone should be using this right now. If you're a creator, or if you are someone that creates on the internet, you're someone that wants to build your email list, someone that wants to become something online, you really need ManyChat to do this, right? ManyChat. So, like I said, there will be a link on the comment section. Please do click on the link on the comment section because when you click the link, I get a commission because it's an affiliate link on it. So I'm just being sincere to you, right? On this channel, I'll keep bringing you up to date tools that you can use to 10x your productivity and 10x your sales in your business. So go today and try out ManyChat. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. If there's something you want me to try out, or if you're gonna try this too, also drop in the comments and say I'm gonna try it out. Okay? All right, see you. Bye bye.